Sawubona. I am Muzikaisa Mashele Mbungela, a cultural enthusiast and documentary filmmaker. I and my team just returned from KwaNdebele to deliver a portrait I shot of Dr. Esther Mahlangu, which is almost 6 years old now. Gogo Esther is one of the national treasures in the art space, with work and collaborations spanning 7 decades under her belt. Gogo has inspired the world, including me, with the colorful pieces Mgwala. I have to say though, that at Africa's Tourism Indaba, AmaNdebele came across as the most well-represented tribes that we have in Mpumalanga. From a young cultural activist, a fashionista, someone considered to be a human encyclopedia, a Ikamanga awarded cultural icon, to the municipal manager of Thembisile Hani, bangiphe isikhashana sabo uma sihlangana ku-indaba. Naku laba siphathise bona.
Bakwethu namhlanje singeDurban eKZN sizokuthengisa ubukhwari nesikopilo nevunulo yobuhle bamaNdebele. Angikhambi ngedwa ke kazi lapho ngikhamba noNqobile Masuku engibereka naye. Siyagwala sinencwadi coloring book ngale sino Dr. Msoziswa Mahlangu waziwa ngoma uNosinki. So into esizoyenza lapha ukuthi sithathe wonke umuntu lapha simthingise ngeMpumalanga ayokubona ubuhle bethu, ayokubona ubukhwara, ayokubona indaba zethu, ayokufunda imilando yethu, akuzwa ukuthi siphethe buphi, siphethe ziphi inkankaramba. Ngiyakutshela iMpumalanga yihle iyakarisa.
Ngibelethwale kwaFanturu, khulela kwami ngibelethele kulezi ndawo ukuyela eMatlebheke. Ngenza umbereko wezandla, ugwala, ukuphothela, ugida. Njenganje thina mina ngase ngikhulume ngami zange ngaye esikolweni mara nokho ngiyakhona ukuphila ngoba ngazi umbereko wezandla. Kungakho sithi abantwana bafundeni yonke imibereko wezandla noma ngonjani. Edenyaka mntobe nento etsha oyenzileko ebizwa ukuthi i-can't get engekho uthoma into engekho uyenze. Dani-ke into ezokwenza ukuthi ibhizinisi yakho iye phambili. Umuntu ozunyaka opheleleko kuwe nakathi uyabuya ufumana sekunento etsha oyenzile. Dani ibhizinisi yakho izokuya phambili. Ungasolo wenza into ekhona yonto ekhona. Sithokoze umasipala yazi yena silethe lapha njenganje. Siyazi sesinama-customer amaningi esiwakreyileko kundaba ngeThembisile. Siyathokoza kumanager, sithokoza konke nabasihelebha. Ngiyahelejwa mina phela ngazi nesingempresa ngizazi le sebaphethe bawa nami bavuka nami mara nokho kuyayiwa phambili. Ngiyathokoza kwamambala.
Yeah, so I'm sure if you were just to look around, it's quite busy. It's not just an ordinary stall. Go busy like a highway, a freeway. So abantu abamane badlula kuphela nabadlula ko bayajama banekareko bakuzobona ukuthi kanti eThembisile yini lesinayo engaka. So thina are all about cultural tourism. You can see we're quite colorful. It's our second showcasing at the Africa's Travel Indaba. We were here last year by this very same spot. We did not come alone. We came with SMMEs. We were with 3 SMMEs last year. Of course, this year we have been able to upscale the total number which we have brought. So also of significant value, we do have an Order of Ikamanga recipient, which is Ugogo Unosinki Mahlangu, which you see sitting there. Of course, it's a bit busy. You can see people have got a high interest in networking with Ugogo and so on. So we do have a formal partnership with her. Council has resolved that we are going to establish a working relationship with Ugogo. Ugogo has asked that we make available this space so that she's able to take a younger generation in and school them in terms of preserving this cultural heritage which we have as a Ndebele people. ingakwazi ukuthi iphelele kule generation yabogogo, because that's the biggest risk which we do have. If you look at ugogo, Dr. Esther Mahlangu, if you look at ugogo Nosinki, they are coming of age at some stage, and this must not cease to exist. Abogogo masibangasakhona ukuthi bayenze umsebenzi. Most important as well, you would recall which there is a farm referred to as Lobspruit wine farm, where wine is brewed traditionally. So on the 31st of May, there will be a soft launch in that regard. So it is done through the Ndebele Kingdom as well. The municipality is a partner. You see, the one thing which you wouldn't know, you don't know who's here, you don't know who's who. And manje with the interest ekhona abantu abaloko bandlula bafuna ukujama babone ukuthi kunani nani. Qala ngeLimpopo siyase kubhizi nje kuyarasanyana, but now we'll be fine. So we're able to establish a formal relationship with the Limpopo Tourism Agency. We had an engagement earlier on. So those are the sort of outputs which the Indaba would give an opportunity for you as a local municipality. It's not just municipalities, it's all stakeholders which are involved in South African tourism, and we truly appreciate the opportunity of being able to be here as a municipality. And definitely it's not our last time. We are continuously going to come here so we can continue to promote the municipality, so people, tourists can come into our municipality, which is going to go a long way in enhancing our economic development, hereby eradicating poverty, inequality and unemployment. Thank you very much.